Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this, we'll need to click on the start, then go for that gear icon and open the settings. Here we can go for personalization. First option is a background, and that's our wallpaper. You can choose different background like picture, solid color or slideshow. In this case, we're gonna go for a picture. You can choose whichever picture you like from the presets that are available, or if you want to set your own custom wallpaper, then select browse and find the file in this manager and set it as your wallpaper. And the last option is to choose the fit, so you can fill the entire screen with that image, fit it to the screen so it will display in the best resolution, stretch it, tile it, center it or span it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.